Hey, what's up guys? I got a quick announcement. I've got new ways that you can connect with me. Maybe I can help you out with your projects or in life. So I've got a couple new gigs over on Fiverr. The first one is just a shout out, a video message. I'll send you a customized video message, either for a loved one or for your child that is working on a cool DIY project and they need a little bit of encouragement. They're watching the videos and it'd be fun to get a personal message from me. I could do it for any friends and family, or hey, I could do it for you. Maybe you want me to just send a vertical video that you can post on social media. I don't know. Just trying to think outside the box here. Whatever you want, I'll record a message for you. The second one is an actual personalized Zoom call that I will set up with you if you need help with one of your DIY projects. I get messages all the time with people who are having trouble with certain materials or the paint, or more specifically with the templates and trying to get the cardboard to fit together just right and how to glue it. So if you're really having trouble, I can hop on Zoom with you and see what's going wrong and maybe give you some advice and help you work through it. The last option is also on Zoom. This is just a general chat. Basically, if you want to chat about anything, you've got questions, you want answers. I get a lot of messages from people who are in film school and maybe you've got a whole list of questions on how to get into filmmaking or how to do DIY, or questions about some of the shows that I ran or the networks that I worked for and how it was dealing with those. I've gotten a lot of questions about that stuff over the years and I'm always happy to answer. So now we can do it in person, or if you just want to ask about career advice and filmmaking advice, whatever it is, I'm available. This is available in 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30-minute options. So go check out the gigs on the Fiverr website. Oh, I'm also doing Photoshop stuff there. If you or anybody you know needs Photoshop help, I'm a whiz. I've been using Photoshop since like 1997, not even kidding. So I'm doing photo restoration, enhancements, AI stuff, straightening pictures, removing people, all that jazz. So I've got all my gigs up there. Go check them out. As always, you can connect with me on Instagram and Threads starting today, or just keep making comments below like you always do. I'm gonna make a lot more DIY content here in the new workshop/studio. All right, see you soon.